Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a Jet TV Vlogs. Today, we're here in the cool and refreshing Baguio City. But today's vlog is not just about sightseeing. We're going on an adventure to a hidden hiking spot, Mount Camisong. Let's go. Before we start, here's a quick info for you guys. The entrance fee here is around Philippine peso 500 for adults, Philippine peso 400 for students and locals, Philippine peso 350 for seniors or PWDs, and kids below 7 years old are free. So make sure to bring your ID if you want discounts. Alright, we're now heading to the jump-off point. One thing I really like about this place is that it's not too crowded, unlike other tourist spots in Baguio. So if you're looking for a quiet and relaxing hike, this is a great choice. And here we go. The hike officially starts now. The trail is actually beginner-friendly, so even if it's your first time hiking, you can definitely do this. Just take your time and don't rush. As you can see, the surroundings are full of pine trees, and the air is super fresh. Honestly, it feels like natural air conditioning. Not gonna lie though, there are some parts that are a bit steep, so you'll still get a bit of a workout here. But that's part of the experience. Hiking is not supposed to be too easy, right? Quick tips, guys. Always bring enough water, wear comfortable hiking shoes, and bring light snacks if needed. And of course, always respect nature, follow the leave no trace rule. Let's keep this place clean and beautiful. Wait, hold on. Guys, look at this. That view is absolutely amazing. And we're not even at the summit yet. Imagine how it looks from the top. And guys, one of the highlights here is the breathtaking glass walk. You can actually walk on a transparent platform with an amazing view below you. It's a little scary at first, but super worth it, perfect for photos and a must-try experience. This is one of the reasons why I love hiking. It gives you time to disconnect from stress, no pressure, no noise, just fresh air and peace of mind. Sometimes we get too caught up in our daily routine work, school, social media, but places like this remind us to slow down and appreciate the simple things. All right, guys, we're getting close. Final push, let's go. And we made it. Welcome to Mount Camisong. And after the hike, guys, Merendin's Siling restaurant here where you can relax and eat. Perfect place to recharge. Imagine enjoying good food with a mountain view. Definitely the best way to end the adventure. If you're planning to visit Baguio City, I highly recommend adding this to your list. It's perfect for beginners, chill hikers, or anyone who just wants to relax in nature. And that's it for today's adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Jet TV Vlogs for more adventures like this. Let me know in the comments where you want me to go next. This is a Jet. See you on the next adventure. Peace.
Yan mo talaga.
Adios, tomorrow. Big, cheap, and smoking the forest fire hazards.
Thank you so much.
Sige.